The Miller CST 282 stick and TIG welding power source is ready to get to work. And it makes it easier to provide quality welds in both processes. Autoline technology means even more portability and reliability. The CST 282 requires no manual linking, providing a wide range of input power while handling dirty and unreliable power for a stable arc. The CST 282 is a portable machine in the shop or on the job site, up to 39% lighter than other machines in its class. The CST 282 is flexible. Its exclusive universal connectors allow quick configuration to any weld cables at the job site. It has a simple, accurate interface with easy-to-use push-button controls, and a digital amperage meter is standard for the precision you need. The CST 282, ready to work for you, only from Miller.